KFC Beyond Chicken Sandwich. I'm gonna show you the 11 spice recipe, and I'm also gonna give you the In-N-Out and McDonald's secret sauce recipe in this video. So here's what you're gonna need. We have our KFC 11 spice mix. We have sugar, lemon, flour, relish, ketchup, vegetable stock, vegan Beyond chicken strips, which we're gonna form into patties, lettuce, vegan bun, vegan mayo. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna build our special sauce. Special sauce, you'll see it on Big Macs, you'll see it on In-N-Out burgers. Here we go, but this is gonna be vegan style, right? So we put our vegan mayo in there. We're gonna put a couple tablespoons, about, let's say a quarter cup. We're gonna put a tablespoon of ketchup. We're gonna put just a dash of the lemon juice. The relish, another tablespoon. We're gonna just put a couple pinches of sugar, and we're gonna give all that a good mix. All right, now for the final touches, we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. All right, there's our secret sauce. We're gonna set that to the side. So, we're gonna put our 11 spice mix right in there. We're gonna add our flour. I'm gonna go half at first. Now, one thing I left out and I decided at the last minute we're gonna use a little bit of baking powder. What the baking powder is gonna do is it's gonna help make it more like a crispier finish. So just a tisp of baking powder. And then we're gonna slowly start to add our vegetable stock. And what we're looking for is like a pancake batter consistency. That recipe for those 11 spices, I'm gonna put in the description below with all the measurements for you. All right, now we're gonna make the patties. So I have a parchment paper with a little bit of flour on top, and the flour is gonna act as a binder. So we're gonna see how well these stick together. And if they don't stick that well, we're gonna add a little bit more flour, and that's gonna help bring it together so we can have a nice patty. We'll roll this out into the flour. And then we'll try to make a little ball, and then we'll try to make a patty out of it. See what we get. Oh yeah, this is gonna stick just fine. Feels very sticky. All right, fire up your cast iron pan. I've got just enough oil to cover this little chicken patty halfway up. We're gonna pan fry this thing with our batter. Let's do this, man. So I have our Beyond Meat chicken patty. We're gonna stick that into our amazing batter. Our pan is nice and hot, ready to go. We're gonna be careful with this guy. We don't want it to break, but we wanna make sure that we get that batter all over. Give us that nice crust. Okay. Now I don't want to touch too much because I wanna make sure that I keep this pretty battered. So this is really tricky, guys. We're gonna lay this right inside this oil. Just like that. We're gonna go 4 minutes each side and it'll be fully cooked. All right, so 4 minutes, we're gonna flip this over. Be very careful not to burn yourself. I'm trying to be real careful not to break it. Look at that. Look at that nice crust on there. Oh yeah, crispy, crispy. We're gonna go another 4 minutes on this side and this thing's gonna be done. There's our patty. Go ahead, sit it on a rack right here so that excess oil drips off. Okay, I have a pan here with a little bit of EVO. We're gonna just toast our bun lightly. That's it. Right, now we're gonna build this chicken burger. KFC's Beyond Chicken Sandwich, only seen on this channel. Mind-blowing chef. Sexy. We're gonna cut that, don't worry. Make sure you're pulling on not the camera. You guys are like over here. You can loosen that thing up or something.
Dude, shut up. I
hope you guys are excited for this one. We are going to make a KFC Vegan Beyond Chicken Patty Burger. I put the no.
That's way too much, bro.
Maybe we'll cut that part. Okay.
Cut it?
Yeah.